In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic to your clickbank affiliate marketing offer. Today I have for you the website known as blastfortraffic.com. Now this is a website that I've been aware of for quite a while. I just haven't had a chance to test it out, and I'm about to test it out as we speak. So I figured before I go ahead and set this up, why not create a video tutorial to give you more insights about what you can expect and what you could be looking to help boost you with your affiliate marketing offer. So without further ado, like I said, this website is called Blast with the number 4 traffic.com, and what they do, they have over 70 million targeted email opt-in prospects every month. That's 2.3 million every day to help increase web traffic and sales overnight. One-click bulk mailing from their servers. So if you know how to do affiliate marketing, you're just trying to make more money aside from just on the front end getting that initial sale, but also know how to make money on the back end through using email marketing, this could be very profitable, and this could be very helpful for you in the long term on your affiliate marketing journey. So let's scroll down to find out some more. It says, do you have a product or service to sell? Chances are you do if you're watching this video. Are you getting tired of promoting and getting nowhere? Are you interested in increasing your sales by 1,000%? Are you sick of only getting counter offers in your inbox? Are you looking for someone with a money back guarantee? Are you going from one safe list to another, cutting and pasting your ads? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then the solution has been found for you. What is the solution? Targeted emails is the most direct and powerful method of marketing on the internet today. And as you can see over here on the right, there is testimonials, and we have website stats. It said this site has had over 1 million visitors this week. Internet ranking is ranking 13,562. Google page rank, it got a 4 out of 10. So overall, it's a safe, friendly website. But let's continue on. So it says you'll never be accused of spamming. The system is easy to use, one-click mailing. You can use this system once every day to reach over 2.3 million prospects targeted to receive business offers like yours. Email marketing companies regularly charge $200 to $300 to reach 10,000 prospects once. Why pay for each blast? You will be provided with detailed instruction on how to send out your ads in the most effective way without worry with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. Bonus, you get free mailing software when you join. Second bonus, you get a free ebook publisher when you join. So for those who know how to do a lead magnet and you know to give away something for free, we call this in a more psychological term reciprocity. It's the act of when you do something good for someone, so in return psychologically they feel that they have to return the favor because it was unexpected and you did it out the kindness of your heart. But it says you'll get real responses to your ads, not 100% of counter offers to your email inbox. Bonus, free pop-up under create a program with cookies, free web toolkit, send full page color solo ads with one click, new ad tracking included with real-time stats. This system handles removal requests so you don't have to. Save up to 10 email ads in your own admin panel. Place up to 20 texts and or banner ads on this website for free. No spam complaints, no trouble with your ISP. That means internet service provider. Use our web-based bulk email program to send your ads with one click. Software is 100% free. So those of you who's wondering how much this costs, your answer's right here. Let me highlight this for you. Software is 100% free, not a trial version. Plus another bonus, you get free HTML editor / creator program and HTML tutorial. Fourth bonus, free 3D heading creator program. Fifth bonus, free anti-spyware software program. Sixth bonus, free source link encryption program. Plus, your sales will increase dramatically in one day. 100% money back guarantee. They claim there is no better system on the internet. 100% money back guarantee. Their proven system will allow you to email 2.3 million targeted prospects every day forever. This is not a scam. This is not a gimmick. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Unlike ordinary safe lifts, your ads will just be going out to other members of this club. Prospects have requested to receive these offers. And here are just a few companies that are also using Blast for Traffic. Now, I'm pretty sure you're aware of most of them. You're aware of PetSmart if you have a dog or cat, or any other pets that's, you go for PetSmart for. You got Amazon, Hotwire.com, eBay.com, Blockbuster, which I didn't know was still in business. Then you had Dish Network. And it says you can start your ad campaign now and get the results you expect. No monthly fees. Get everything listed above. The free ebook and software alone are worth hundreds more than the one-time cost to join. Get your costs back the very first time you use our system. Join now. It says instant access to the members area. Set up your system right away. Start seeing your emails. One-click bulk mailing from their servers. Plus download all the free software and ebooks now. There's more than 80 ebooks titles. Join now and save 50% due to the rising costs. They're being forced to raise their price, so join before the price goes up. So it seems you can get a free membership, but if you want access to all the other benefits that I explained, it will be a one-time payment of $34.50. But for the sake of what you're able to get, I would go with the free trial run and then just post one offer a day, see how that goes. Test that out on a weekly basis, see if it's something right for you, and if you feel that it's something that can help you for the long term, definitely get the membership. $34.50. It says you only pay once to be a member. No further charges ever. You will not be rebilled. There are no monthly fees. Your membership will never expire. And this is just something that I came across, but I'm looking to get started in this. If you would like to join me on the journey, I will leave a link below in the description. If you dealt with something similar to this, leave your experience down below in the comments. Me and all the other viewers would like to engage and get more knowledge about this. See, on this page we like to help each other out, give our past experience, present experience, and just look out for one another to overall help each other complete the ultimate goal, which is financial freedom, owning our time, working when we want to work, becoming our own boss, and living a lifestyle of happiness. Because at the end of the day, success can only be measured by happiness. But all I ask from you here on out is for you to like this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, which I'm looking at my YouTube stats, a majority of people watch my videos is not subscribed to my channel, so I greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel. I make videos like this every day, so definitely stay tuned for the daily content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because sometimes YouTube be tripping and don't send out my videos to those of you who are subscribed. So if you hit that notification bell, you will see every time I upload a new video, which is every day. Other than that, I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a good day, good afternoon, good evening. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off. I'll see you in the next video.